Hey YouTube, let's talk about this song by Cloud Nothing's. It's called "Am I Something." It starts out with just like kind of like some D chord, and then the drums are playing, and then they play double time. They kind of get faster, and they go into this. That repeats through the first verse. That is D, and I'm just doing a little pull off of my index finger. Then it goes to C. Again, pulling off the index finger. That's optional. All the pull offs are optional. B minor. If you have trouble with the B minor bar chord, just take your A minor, and then move it up to the 3rd fret. Especially with the distortion, it's going to sound fine. And then after the B minor, we go to G, and that's the end of the verse chord progression. So altogether, it's D, C, minor, G. All right, the chorus is got a kind of cool chord progression. I'm just pulling off my pinky on the B minor, and that it starts on the B minor. Then it goes to A. It goes to A. Alright, and you can play this A chord, and then at the end you can bar all 4 strings. So me, see me. Then it goes to D. Is there anybody? And then it finishes on G. There listening. Cloud Nothings. That's a cool song. Sounds good on an acoustic guitar. Am I Something? Thanks for watching. Have fun playing it, and don't forget to subscribe, but only if you want to. Bye bye.